Welcome to the mystical realm of Paaniyeli Poru. Nestled within the verdant embrace of the Eranakulam district in Kerala, Paaniyeli Poru stands as a testament to the untouched beauty of nature. This hidden gem, veiled by a dense, mystical forest, beckons adventurers and seekers of tranquility alike. As you step into this enchanted realm, a profound sense of awe envelops you. For Paaniyeli Poru is not merely a place. It is an experience. A journey through the untouched splendor of God's own country. The dense forest that cradles Paaniyeli Poru creates a living tapestry of green, with towering trees standing sentinel, their canopies intertwined to create a natural cathedral. The air is rich with the earthy aroma of the forest, a scent that mingles with the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant chorus of birdsong, creating a symphony of nature's finest notes. A highlight of Paaniyeli Poru is the long riverside walkway that winds its way through the heart of the forest. As you traverse this pathway, the rhythmic melody of the forest river accompanies your journey, guiding you to a breathtaking revelation. The river, clear and pristine, mirrors the vibrant foliage that lines its banks, inviting you to partake in a serene river bath, a moment of communion with the rejuvenating forces of nature. Paaniyeli Poru unveils its wonders from morning 8 to evening 4, ensuring ample time for visitors to lose themselves in the enchantment of the surroundings. It's not uncommon for the wilderness to share its secrets, and the wild elephants, majestic and awe-inspiring, occasionally grace the riverbanks, adding a touch of untamed splendor to the already mesmerizing landscape. Paaniyeli Poru It is a sanctuary where time seems to stand still. In Paaniyeli Poru, nature reveals itself in its purest form, inviting those who wander into its embrace to witness the magic that lies at the intersection of the wild and the sublime. As you venture deeper into Paaniyeli Poru, the symphony of nature unfolds with each step. Revealing hidden wonders. The forest, a haven for biodiversity, is home to a myriad of plant and animal species. And the melodious calls of exotic birds create a harmonious backdrop. Turning every corner into a living, breathing spectacle of life. The riverside walkway, with its meandering path, invites contemplation and introspection. Lush ferns and vibrant wildflowers carpet the forest floor, creating a kaleidoscope of colors. Towering bamboo clusters sway gently in the breeze, whispering secrets passed down through the ages. The walk becomes a journey through time, as ancient trees bear witness to the eons that have shaped this sacred land. The forest river, a lifeline for Paaniyeli Poru. The river's crystal clear waters mirror the azure sky above, reflecting the untouched beauty that surrounds it. Crossing quaint wooden bridges over babbling streams adds a touch of adventure to the experience. Creating bridges not just of wood, but of memories that linger long after the journey ends. In the gentle morning light, the forest awakens with a soft glow, while the evening brings the presence of wild elephants adds a thrilling dimension to the Paaniyeli Poru experience. These gentle giants, undisturbed by the presence of humans, may be spotted by the river, creating an unforgettable tableau of coexistence between man and beast. It's a reminder that Paaniyeli Poru isn't just a destination. It's a sanctuary where the delicate balance between the wild and the human spirit is preserved. In the heart of Eranakulam, Paaniyeli Poru stands as a testament to Kerala's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. It is a sanctuary for the senses, a canvas painted with the vibrant strokes of flora and fauna, where time slows down and the modern world fades away, leaving behind an indelible connection to the essence of the wild. Paaniyeli Poru isn't merely a place, it's a living, breathing ode to the untamed beauty that defines God's own country.